MTA. Hey guys, I'm only here for one stop. I'm getting off at 8th and 14th. Open sesame. Okay, there we go. There was a small delay over there. Let's go over here. I gotta get off at the southwest corner. I gotta find out where that southwest corner is. So you can see, we got some jewelry stuff. Ooh! Should I get some mango? I kinda do. One moment. Southwest corner. Look at that. So, straightforward. Okay. I gotta walk down here at the glorious sunlight. Is this not radiant at all? You can see this beautiful sunlight over here. Hudson River Park. Okay, so let's check this thing out, you guys. We got these sticks. I don't know what these things. It kind of looks like Groot. Does it not look like Groot from Guardians of the Galaxy? You can't ride your bike here. You can't walk your dog here. I don't know why. So this is called, I think, the Little Island. It's a man-made little island. And let's check it out. Let's play this. So cool. So if you want to know where it is, it's right here. On this side, where the entrance is. I never noticed that before. Pretty cool. Okay, let's go off more exploring, you guys. That, do you guys see that? That is a truck. Let's check it out. Just wondering, what is that? A book?
No, it's matzo for Passover.
Oh, cool. Now I'm kind of happy I paid my $5 for fruit. Got little kids in the top. You got something here. We're gonna walk up over here. Don't you just love seeing the flowers? Those are irises, I think, right? Daffodils, irises. Look, it makes music. Oh, that's velocity. Look at that. And then we got the hypnotizing thing. Okay. Look at that airplane. We got a bench over here. Here is the scenic background for you guys. So gorgeous. Okay, and then we're going back to a classic Cinevision stream. No, I'm just kidding. I'm poking fun at you guys. Yeah, I guess you could stand over there, eat, or chillax. What is this? There's these strings here. Is this a box office of sorts? What is this? Please don't enter the stage. I want to enter the stage. I was wondering what this whole thing is. It's a control room. And then now let's go over here. Definitely getting my walk in. That's for sure. Okay, let's go. I tripped. Okay, let's go to the top. Let's see how this is. Oh, it's so nice. Look at this. There's so much selfies. I'm not even gonna partake in that. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna go up there. I'm gonna go up there. This is New York after all. It's a smorgasbord of stuff. See, everybody has their selfies. I'm not ready to go. So beautiful. Okay, so I just went up there, over here, and I'm gonna go back down. I'm gonna go and eat my mango, you guys. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I love looking at things like that. It's the sound of happiness, joy, and just having a stress-free lifestyle. Let's make our own music, you guys. I'll go back there in a bit. Is that fun? Here's the restrooms. And here's a place where you can, you know, I love it because you can hear the happy music of people jumping around joyously over here. My goodness. It's a beautiful day, you guys. I'm gonna sit down and eat in a bit. There's chairs around here. I'll just sit here. Here we go. So this is tahine, chamoy, and I think it had some lemon sauce or lemon juice in here. That's it. It's just 3 things. You just put on some mango. So you get this thing called chamoy, C-H-A-M-O-I. It basically looks like some kind of Mexican chili pepper sauce, but it's not spicy at all. It's like leaking muy, if you guys are familiar with that. And then you also have I think lime sauce or lemon. You can buy the one in the bottle, and then you also just sprinkle some tahine on it. So I think it's lemon first, chamoy, and then like tahine, and then you just mix it all up. It tastes so incredible. I've never tried this before I came to New York, and now I'm like, I love this stuff. Look at that. $5 per bag. Yeah, I don't see any other fruit seller over here, so this is it. Let's try it. I have kiwi, strawberries, and of course mango here. I'm gonna eat the rest of this later. I'm happy that I came over here. Thank you so much for recommendations about where to go. This little place, this little island is a really beautiful place. So I will talk to you guys later. You guys have a great day. You guys have a great week. I will see you guys later. Now it's my turn to try. Hey guys, so I am bowling by myself. I haven't bowled in a long time. Let's see how this is.